Waiting for the rider of Mr. Universe. Boji Henson. All set now, ready to race. Race number 3, Santa Ana Park. And the race is on. Batong Silyar. Sa totoo lang, Kate Ganda. Yamalurka is running by Dral. It's now sa totoo lang by Anek. Kate Ganda on the outside. Yamalurka is running in third by Dral. Batong Silyar. Eye to eye is racing in fifth by about 2 lengths. Mr. Universe, Mama Don't Preach, and Double O is running at the tail of the field. Kate Ganda by about 2 lengths. Sa totoo lang is running in second. La Mallorca is racing third. Batong Silyar is running in fifth by Dral. As they race the last 500, Kate Ganda still the leader. Sa totoo lang, Batong Silyar is running by Dral and still moving up 2 sets to run from the outside as they race the last 250. Batong Silyar on the outside to grab the lead. It's now 2-A and on the outside rushing up now is Mama Don't Preach. Eye to eye, Mama Don't Preach. And finally, eye to eye, Mama Don't Preach, Batong Silyar, Mr. Universe, Yamalorca, Pentapecta.